Another way to earn money from a monetized channel is with external links in the end screen and cards. The links could be to your course you're selling, merch, or affiliate links, for example. Of course, any type of sales page can be on the other side of the external link. You can add the links while you're uploading a video or while you're editing the video after it's uploaded. So if you want to add more affiliate links to your content besides just in the description or comments, then you can add more links that can help you earn more money. Let's start with the cards. When you edit the video details page, you have the cards on the side. When you upload, it's part of the steps you need to take. Put a cursor on the right spot where you want to add the link. Then click the option to add elements and find the link in the list. It should be the last one. The first time you open it, you need to confirm that you understand the terms. If you need to refresh, then click the link to read them. After you confirm, you can add the link. Add the URL you want to link. In this case, I'm using Switchy to organize my affiliate links, and I have the affiliate link for Envato Element. You can watch the video in this card that is appearing just now, and now you need to do a few more things. The first one is to add a thumbnail for the link. I use Canva to create the thumbnail. I go for a very simple logo of Envato Elements, starting with square design. Canva has an app that can curate the logos of companies, and it's free. So I go to apps in Canva and search for the brand fetch logo app. Now I'm looking for Envato, and I've added that to the page. I just organized it a bit, like center it and download it to my computer. Back to YouTube, I upload that image to the link card. It's a good idea to organize all the logos or small images you created for YouTube links in one folder on your computer. So it's easy for you to add more links with this image in the future. You also need to add a call to action and a teaser text. I use ChatGPT for ideas for what to write. It's limited to 30 characters and it should be very short. After that, click Save Changes. If you're in the card section on your video page, or if you're doing this while uploading the video, you can just continue like you do with any other card. You can add up to 5 links, and you can repeat the same link all over the video. Now let's see the end screen. This one is much simpler. This is also something you can do when you upload or after you uploaded the video in the video details page. In the end screen, you can add up to 4 elements. I prefer to have the end screen with a big suggested video, but it's also nice to add the subscribe button and, in this case, the affiliate link for the product I just discussed in the video. You can use the link element only once in the end screen. Start with the elements, click it and choose a link. Then add the link you want to use here. The next step is to add the logo. It can be the same one from the video card. You can move the element around and you can decide which element appear before the other one. And that's it for the end screen. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.